Now, this week's rain caused flooding, of course, to a bunch of different parts of West Michigan, including at Riverside Park in Grand Rapids. Still didn't stop people from going out and enjoying all the sun we had today. Our Lauren Edwards went to Riverside Park to see how people were soaking up all that sun.
It's sunny, it's 40 degrees, but it is cold. I still have on my hat, my scarf, and gloves, but a lot of people out here at Riverside Park had the same thing on, and they tell me that all of this cold and these floods did not bother them at all.
We went to Meyer Garden to walk. We often walk there. We like it. It's a lovely place. We go there, we walk, we meditate, we, enjoy it. I couldn't even find a parking place.
So friends Georgiana and Rasa came here to Riverside Park to enjoy the day, like many others. Daisy, you're excited for spring?
I'm out here today walking these two dogs for a family. So yeah, just getting out and about in the fresh air and enjoying this beautiful day.
I run here every day when I'm in town, every day, but I really wanted to see the flood this morning.
Wednesday's storms caused flooding in some areas, including the Grand River, which runs along Riverside Park.
It's interesting to see what is causing the flooding. Like most of the flooding is happening inside, and I guess at the bend, and you can still get over the bridge, so no, unless it's really rushing, I'm good.
The water wasn't rushing near Riverside, but closer to the city at Floodwater Park, it was fast. So fast that Grand Rapids city officials posted about it on social media, asking people not to use the water recreationally, considering it's currently at 16 feet and is expected to crest to 18 feet over the weekend. So folks stayed out of the water and enjoyed the spring-like weather on the sidewalk.
We spent our winter in Florida, and so it was hard to leave that, but coming here now, it's really wonderful to see the buds start coming and the crocuses and daffodils.
So the floods, again, they are widespread here at Riverside Park, but get this good news, warmer weather is coming. The Fox 17 weather team says that it's going to be 60 degrees over the weekend and next week. Reporting here in Grand Rapids, Lauren Edwards, Fox 17 News.